Hello and very warm welcome to the platform of Victory IAS. Welcome to the series 2 years current affair rapid revision series. We will discuss the topics related to Bharat Tex Update. Bharat Tex Update, it is a kind of global event related to textile industry. Global event related to textile industry. So that is Bharat Tex, right? Textile industry, right? So let's understand this. India to host Bharat Tex 2024. India, in a monumental initiative, India's textile industry, in partnership with industry bodies, is gearing up to host Bharat Tex 2024, touted as the world's largest textile event, scheduled from February 26 to February 29, 2024 in New Delhi. This mega exhibition signifies India's ambition to become a global textile powerhouse marked by innovation, collaboration, and the Make in India ethos. Right? I have already explained you that in textile industry we were having significant growth. Now we are facing challenges from the countries like Bangladesh and Vietnam in international market related to textile industry. Right? If we can put forward proper policies and if we can enhance our production, if we can increase our efficiency in this particular sector, there is a lot to gain from this particular sector. It will also help us in achieving surplus in balance of trade, or at least reducing the deficit that is there on current account because of balance of trade, right? The vision for Bharat Tex 2024, Bharat Tex 2024 embodies India's 5F vision, that is spanning farm to fiber to factory to fashion to foreign, right? So farm to fiber represents what? From for example, this cotton yarn, etc. So that is from farm to fiber, that is reprocessing or processing it in the industry, to factory, so that stitching and etc. can be done, to fashion also, so that new taste and preferences with respect to the clothes etc. can be taken care of, and to foreign means export, to foreign means export, right? So this is 5F. It underscores India's preparedness to compete globally in the textile sector, manufacturing products not only for domestic consumption but also for the world, right? So export oriented also, because we have a lot of balance of trade issues, right? We are having deficit in that, so it can also help us in that regard. Key highlights for the event is the initiative encourages the textile industry to create globally recognized brand while fostering brand India, right? While fostering brand India. The event aims to position India as a mature and competitive global sourcing destination within the textile industry. It represents the entire textile industry value chain, showcasing India's cultural heritage, traditional practices, and technological innovations. Over 1,000 exhibitors and 30,000 visitors from 40 countries. The event will feature knowledge sessions, seminars, conferences, business to business, government to government meetings, B2B and G2G meetings, product launches, and collaborations. It will also include live demonstration, cultural events, fashion presentations, designer exhibitions, sustainability workshops, and expert talks as well. Bharat Tex 2024 is expected to boost textile exports and attract global investors and buyers. The event will be organized by 11 textile related export promotion councils and industry bodies. India's commitment to global textile landscape is Bharat Tex 2024 symbolizes the India's dedication to reshaping the global textile landscape by showcasing its strengths, sustainable practices, and creativity. It serves as a platform for global investors and buyers to export India's potential as global manufacturing and consumer market. Now we can also, since it was before the event, now we can also talk about the event as well, right? So Bharat Tex 2024 showcase of India's textile powerhouse. We have already seen this. For February is poised to be a comprehensive display of the entire textile value chain, bringing together participants spanning from farmers to fashion designers, etc. We have already seen this. Yeah, Shubhami, the capital underscores high commitment, we have already seen. The strategic timing, that we have already seen this. So 5F vision, we have seen, right? So this is what we have seen: strategic timing and expansive value, timed strategically to coincide with the announcement of general election. The exhibition will cover the expansive 2 lakh square feet equivalent to 45 football teams. These are not much details pertaining to our exam, so you can skip on these details, right? Global partnership and industry leaders, if we talk about 4-day event expected to attract global CEOs, policy makers, and more than 3,500 exhibitors around the world. Over 3,000 overseas buyers from 40 countries and more than 40,000 domestic buyers are anticipated to participate, right? This we have already seen. Now, this information, the Textile Ministry collaborating with the trade bodies has extended invitations to global players such as Channel, LVMH, this Uniqlo, Zara and Walmart. Notably, Walmart is hosting its first global sourcing meeting around the same time, right? Promoting local for global theme. The organizers are working on the theme of local for global, aiming to showcase nearly 100 top Indian brands such as Fab India, this Nalli, Arvind Mills, and Raymond. Right, the focus is on transforming Indian manufacturers from vendors to big brands. Right, Indian manufacturers to big brands, significant players on the international stage, ultimately contributing to improving unit value realization. Export ambition and economic growth. India's ambition is to secure larger share of the global textile market, targeting an increase in export from 45 billion to 100 billion. As the textile sector continues to be a major focus, Bharat Tex 2024 serves as a platform to elevate India's standing and influence in the global textile landscape. But you have to remember, as far as Indian textile industry is concerned, so you have to remember that a lot of potential is there, right? A lot of potential is there. We are experiencing this competition from Vietnam and Bangladesh. So competition from Vietnam and Bangladesh. Also, you can talk about not only in this fabric, etc. We can also we can also enhance the production as well as efficiency of technical textile, right? Technical textile. The you might have seen at the construction sites a green color textile is being used, that is known as technical textiles. So those things are also there where we can tap on our potential, right? So the next topic related to startups, so we will stop here. Stay tuned to Victory IAS YouTube channel to receive more information on current affairs which will help you in prelims 2026 exam. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.